Welcome back to Car Cloud. Today we're shifting gears to the adventure bike world with the 2026 BMW Adventure R 1250 GS. Long celebrated as the benchmark for touring and off-road exploration, the GS has earned its reputation among riders who crave versatility, comfort, and unmatched endurance. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with key updates that make it even more capable. Let's dive in and see what makes this new GS stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 R 1250 GS showcases a sharper, more muscular look while retaining its rugged DNA. A redesigned front beak, slimmer LED headlamps, and sleeker body panels give it a modern yet purposeful stance. New color schemes and refined detailing add flair, while its ergonomics remain rider-friendly for long journeys. Performance and powertrain. At its heart remains the legendary 1,254 cubic centimeters boxer engine, delivering smooth torque and power across all terrains. Paired with BMW's advanced shift cam technology and optimized riding modes, it ensures effortless cruising and confident off-road handling. Lighter materials and an updated suspension system further enhance agility, making the GS as dynamic on highways as it is on trails. Safety and technology. BMW packs the GS with the latest rider aids, including adaptive traction control, cornering ABS, and an upgraded TFT display with wireless smartphone connectivity. Enhanced radar-based features improve safety, while navigation and ride data are more intuitive than ever. Conclusion. With its perfect balance of strength, refinement, and innovation, the 2026 BMW Adventure R 1250 GS continues to define the adventure segment. Whether crossing continents or weekend trails, this bike is built to go the distance. Stay tuned to Car Cloud for more exciting reviews and updates.